So one of our HASP data assets is the Priority Places for Food Index. So this was developed as a collaboration between the Consumer Data Research Centre and consumer group Which, where we realised that the cost of living crisis was really hitting people hard, and we wanted to be able to help in a different way. So we looked at what data was available to identify areas and neighbourhoods that really needed support with accessing nutritious and healthy food. And this is a public data set, there's a dashboard, people can access it and download it. And we were really pleased to learn recently that the British Nutrition Foundation, who have been working with Tesco, have used our Priority Places for Food Index as one of the data assets to make decisions about where Tesco are going to send their £4 million for free fruit to schools. And last week I visited 2 schools alongside Tesco and the British Nutrition Foundation to see how that was actually being operationalised in these schools. And I can't explain how brilliant it is to see children loving fruit. I mean, one of the schools, they cut all the fruit into a platter. It was like what we'd, the only time I ever see a platter of fruit like that is when I'm away with work and there's a lovely breakfast and it's all laid out. There's 3 types of melon, berries, grapes, oranges. They even had passion fruit, but it was all cut up so that the kids, you were really keen to do it. And just to be in the dining hall and seeing them eating and loving it was so brilliant. Another school, they had fruit pots, so they put them into small pots so that the children could, there was a secondary school, so they were swiping through, paying for their meals, and then they could get fruit as extras. And then just seeing children sort of sat around at the end of lunchtime, sharing their fruit together, it was really lovely. 3 years ago, or probably about 4 years ago now, we just didn't have a community for those of us working with digital footprints and smart data. So we started this conference and it's grown year on year, and we've gone from a one-day conference with about 50 to 60 people. Now we've got 2 full days with nearly 100 people, and international as well. So yeah, we're getting a lot of interest and a lot of enthusiasm, so we're looking forward to seeing it grow in the future.